In this video, we are going to learn about sales funnel for local businesses. So if you are one who owns a local business or you are just a random person who wants to learn about sales funnel for local businesses, stay till the end of this video because I am going to show you real sales funnel for local businesses, and I'm also going to give you pre-built sales funnel and one-on-one consulting call with me for free if you stay till the end of this video. So let's dive into this video. Hello everyone, my name is Hansu and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, and I ask you to give me a comment whether you like or you dislike my video so I can improve my videos in the future. So in this video we are going to learn about sales funnel for local businesses. So before we go deep into this topic, let's talk about what is sales funnel. So sales funnel is a simple process which helps us in converting a prospect into a buying customer. So when we go to a car dealership, right, so there is a person who helps us in buying the car, that salesperson who tells you about the details of the car, who shows you the car, right? The sales funnel do exactly the same for your business. So if you own a local business, the sales funnel is going to convert your prospect who is a random person on the internet and convert him into a buying customer for your business. A lot of local businesses come online but they lose money. Why? Because they don't know how the whole marketing structure work. So what they do, they pay someone money to create a website which they call is an amazing website which doesn't convert well. They pay someone to create a website and they start getting traffic, they start spending money, or they start getting traffic to their website. But the problem is they don't get much conversion in their website. There are a lot of mistakes when we create a website, and it takes a lot of money to create a website, and then when we start getting traffic, the website is already not converting, so they lose money while they are spending money. And this is the reason they lose money and they think that online thing doesn't work. So let me take you and show you what mistakes they are doing, and then show you real sales funnel example which you can copy in your business. So as you can see into my screen, this is a website for a barber. Okay, so in this website doesn't have anything, doesn't have a single option which someone can take, right? This is a single page where there is an option for barbers, there is an option about that shop, okay, and there is a name, and this is a message button. You can send them a message, you can take a look on their Instagram, or you can book now. So this is the option which the shop owner wants people to do, but it's in the corner, so there is no other option. Okay, you can see images and there is the address of the shop. If some random person jump to this website, that random person don't know what to do. There is not a single option, a single dominant option which this website show. Let me show you one more example. So this is one of the example of a parlor shop. Okay, this is a ladies parlor. Okay, so what people can do, when you will go to this website, there is an option for homepage, about us, there is an option for contact them, book appointment, gift certificates, and buy product. But still there is not a single dominant option for people who jump into this website. Okay, so you can see the images, okay, and you can take a look on the products, you can take a look on these options, and you can take a look on the prices of these haircuts and all those things, all the services. And there is still, this is the option to book appointment, but still there is no dominant option in this website which someone jumps into and take a look on. Like, there is no direct dominant option into this website. So this is the mistake. When someone jumps into this website, they take a look on everything. They take a look on the products, they take a look on the gift certificates, they take a look on the services they are providing, and then after that they don't know what to do. And this is the mistake most of the local businesses are doing, and they start sending traffic to these websites. And when they start sending traffic, they run ads on the internet, and it costs money to start running ads. And when people are jumping to these websites, they are not getting conversions, right? So this is a big mistake these people are doing. So let me show you how sales funnel and sales process work, so you can copy and paste it in your business. So as you can see in the screen, this is a simple sales funnel process. Okay, so the first is the traffic, getting attention. Now traffic, you can get traffic from anywhere. You can run ads on the internet, you can start creating content related to your business on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever you want. So the first part of the whole process is getting traffic to your pages, to your funnel. So the first part of the sales funnel is a squeeze page. In this page, we capture information. We capture their email address, their name, their phone number, so we can follow up with them. We can send them a mail, we can give them a call in the future. Even though if they don't buy from us right now, we still can follow up in the future. And now if we have spent money on the internet to get them to our website, we have got their email address now, right? And if someone is not ready to give you their email address, they are not likely to buy your product as well. And if someone is ready to give you their email address, you have some transfer with them, you have some connection with them right now, and you have given them something, some value for in exchange of their email address. So then in the next step, we can sell them anything we want. In this squeeze page, what we can do is we can offer them something for free. If you have a barber shop, you can offer them a free haircut. If you own a gym, so you can offer them a 7-day free gym access. Okay, if you have a yoga classes, so you can offer them a free yoga session or something like that. If you own a meditation center, you can offer them a free 2 days meditation, right? So they are ready to give you their email address in exchange of something, and then they will come to your shop, they will come to your place, and have that experience. So then once they come to your shop, you can charge them, you can say that these are the services we offer. If you want, we'll give you this discount, or in this page you can give them a discount as well. Okay, so in the second page of the funnel, we usually do the training. Okay, in the second page, if you offer them a free training or free webinar in the squeeze page, then you will take them to the second page, which will be the training, and then you will show them your offer or like your services. Or if you want, you can give them a free session directly on the squeeze page, so they will come to your shop, so they will come to your store and experience that services, and then you can offer them something more. Like if you are a dentist, you can offer them a free checkup, and if there is a problem, you can charge for that problem. Okay, so this is how it works. So let me show you real sales funnel examples. So right now, as you can see in my screen there, this is a funnel for gym. So what they're offering, they are giving get your free 7 days free access pass. So now if someone clicks on this button, they are going to get the pass, but in exchange they have to give us their email address. So now we are getting the data, which is the most important thing in the internet. Okay, so you will capture the email address, and then you will give them, you will take them to this page, okay, where they have to give us a call and book their appointment. So this is a simple sales funnel, and sometimes these simple sales funnel works amazingly well for businesses out there. So this is just a simple, if someone jumps to this page, they don't have any other option other than this 7-day pass. So if someone is coming to this funnel, they are not confused. They know what action to take. Okay, and this is another sales funnel for a yoga class. So what they are offering, get a 30 days of unlimited yoga for just $30. So now, like, they don't have any other option other than reserve a 30-day pass. So when they will click on it, we ask them about their email, and when they will give us their email address, we can, we take them to this page where they have to give us a call. Okay, so this is how a simple sales funnel process work. You offer them something for free in exchange of email address, and then in the next step of the funnel, you give them option to book an appointment. Okay, so you can put your number over there, or if you want, you can put your email. So this is a simple local business sales funnel which works amazingly well. So if you are a one who owns a local business and want to try these local business sales funnel, and you don't have any technical knowledge, you don't have any knowledge about coding, and you want to test these sales funnel, don't worry. There is a sales funnel builder which helps you in creating sales funnel with just drag and drop software, and it is called ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the most authoritative sales funnel builder out there, and they also offer 14 days free trial where they will teach you and show you how you can create your sales funnel with just drag and drop software. I am going to drop the link in the description, and if you take your free 14 days free trial from the link in the description, I am going to give you pre-built sales funnel for local businesses, and I'm also going to give you 13 more pre-built funnels for different businesses. And with that, I'm also giving one-on-one consulting call with me, but this consulting call is not going to be forever. I'm just offering these one-on-one consulting call in my first few YouTube videos because I've created a new channel. And if you want to test these sales funnel but you don't want to waste your money on testing your funnel and you want a proven pre-built funnel, take your 14 days free trial from the link in the description and give us a mail. We'll get back to you with your bonuses, with your pre-built funnel, and with one-on-one consulting call with me. Thank you so much for watching my video till now, and if you like my video, please give me a comment, or if you haven't got any value from this video, please leave me a comment so I can improve my videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching my video till now, and I will see you in the next one.